Eh? Why? Why be say like that? Why all those things just be like that when be say man, our OT they different. Our OT most surely they different. Why we be like this? Why? I know to take for here because the way thing that they see for social media is too much. Any shit where we just shit, people if first never see them, we not go quick pack that shit. We not quick pack that shit. See the campaign where they do now. I'm not to say make anybody not join candidate. Or I join is there Jamu side, or the other one there Obaseki side. Instead of making daily, make they talk the good thing where Zeyamu do, or make the other one day only Obaseki side, make it day only, make they talk the good thing where Obaseki do. They will come out for social media. They insult wait to see at this one. They insult everybody. For me, if you come and come talk the good thing where Zeyamu do, it better pass where you the talk come and say, na so James say Zeyamu be, na so Obaseki be. But me you talk the good thing where Obaseki they do. When we say now only our own campaign for those things, everything they different. We don't talk to this use politics. They talk to get it for social media. Social media. We don't use politics. Social take talk to get it for social media. When we say elder people call the CEO, they insult us. What did they happen, my brothers? What did they happen, my sisters? Now so they do this politics for other side. Una don't see say they'll call they come out, call they misbehave for social media for politics. Una don't do this politics, they talk to nothing. Shite play. For you to come out to say, see what we go know. Your shows. See what is there Yamu pastor, is there Yamu. See what he don't do. See the good thing where Pastor is there Yamu do. The other one where see there the other side. Obaseki side. He go see come and say, see the good thing. Now so if not they campaign like this, he go not be the one where you just they come out for social media, call they misbehave, call they say see what the Obaseki do, see what is there Yamu, see what he do. Not we just call una just do this politics. They thought to shite play for social media. Other people they look us. I don't know if I'm making sense to you guys here. Why we be like this? Why we be like this? Is the be most everything where we they do, we must bring and come to social media? Policy is just be say they na fight. They don't call they fight themselves for social media. For you to come and say, see the good thing when show us the good thing when be say me is there Yamu he don't do for the Edo State. Tell me what the Obaseki, the good thing when Obaseki don't do for the Edo State. More than they come out, they will all like to vote for Obaseki. Go vote for Obaseki. All like to vote for Isaiah Yamu. He go vote for Isaiah Yamu for presenting the good thing they are doing. That is why you say no. And they not go bring and come and they not bring the good thing come and you want to talk Abi. I don't understand. He your Saloboa. Why we be like this, my brother? Why we be everything what they do with the use that they rub our body? People must see the shit when we shit. People must see. Before we pack, not be say before that shit, may we pack up before people go see, until people go see that shit when we shit. We be say me, if we do something, we must do an SS. When people, if we never do an SS, we be say me, now when people, other people, Oriobe, when they go they curse us, we not go rest for that thing. Okay, see this campaign, what would they do now? We not talk say make anybody not join any candidate. We not, I not talk say make anybody not campaign for any candidate. Person you start to the call now. No, let me feel it. Well, I know take for here. Hello. You want country? I dey live video. Okay, me I put on for speaker. I bet, okay. Because the matter what would they talk about now be say, I don't know why we call the fight for social media. For all they don't use politics, they turn to side play for social media. I don't really understand. My sister.
Wetin I want talk, sir. You go for speak Benin. You understand? No say no be only Benin that day. Those states, you understand? But wetin you want talk for this thing? For all this thing, I'm not here to insult anybody, but we that they do a pass. We where they speak the Benin, and we they do a pass, and we they rubbish the politics, because me I never see where they for the campaign like this, and they say they do and so. And this one will call this one, see this one don't do rubbish to you. See this one, me I never see this type of campaign before. Even anything where we don't reach our hands, we must use them. People they come abroad, we use them. Say it becomes saying that only we now they hear for social media. People like saying only we now they abroad. Politics time don't see voting time don't see call now, election time don't call now. See what we they do to ourselves. See what we they do for us. Me I never see whether for the campaign like this. Not be only we did that Nigeria. Me and the talker. Not be only we did Nigeria. Not be only us. Tapi use our 100% do live video. Why they say nothing positive? Nobody they talk about positive thing. Nobody they talk how we want to grow. Nobody they even they talk that all those ones. Fought for this one or fought for the other one. But at the end of the day, what are all these people doing? What did they do? Now they're supposed to they bring come out. Don't be this one will come and look our uncle yesterday now. Our big uncle, I don't want to make sure your name ahead because this one on your platform, you know good make because they rubbish any name for year. I don't want to make sure that our uncle name when they sing yesterday. Me for that thing now child play. You understand? And child play, nobody supposed to they behave like that. Big as that our uncle big rich. Nobody supposed to behave like that. If something just happen, before they say that women and they make them, me I don't even know now which one, what will be the difference now? Everywhere just change to a cure bad, a cure bad. Social media, they don't use social media. They do Waodeka. Yeah, Waodeka. They don't let us in the year, but they bring shame every time. You know good, my people. You know, if you get phone, use that to do better thing. Use that to bring positive thing. Come our place. We won't try to repair them. People they plan to repair them. No mueria puse. Egbe money. No muria no dollar. No mueria wa puse. Only now that one they pay me for.
I greet you too, King of Bass. Now ma you be.
No be only Benin people. No be only. I ma pass one winning biagi. I don't know me where mana ya phone egbe ya. Ey ma swen na here mana ya funegbe ya ona isi eni no ike do state ni rene ima ya gwegbe ya agbobe yan gba ma wege ni ma ya e ma be ya na gwa ve ma ni ri an no ri la platform when any ya ku we ga any make na egwe e ma beg ya people they see they look at I look my phone today. I see said all those our Nyamiri people. Here debate. The man was a governor here. Where this our my yard back be ya. Nancy said so now said to now wearing a school.
More love, yes. That is my King Koba. The great comedy one of Emilia Romagna. All the old Italy, Germany, France, all. Guakiao Jeme, Guakiao.
Now my brother, I be woman.
Wese, Jamie and EJ, Wese for your contribution, Wese. So, Walao, anybody when you want call because this video not your to take for you because the thing don't tire me. Not be area ya way a campaign area at all. Me na waya campaign na. Uga mi no pass ki u no ma o a campaign e no ma no ni that doge wa mwela dia. Wa mwela dia na go dege no gegi buse no man no like no vote no pass ki we no continue o vote no we have vote is yamu o vote but any ma do ya ladia na do ya anything no sense a social media e we mo koko wa do gba ma e no yi wa so gbedo ne my sister no call ba wa call her uwese odoke e we mo koko what sunu na yi hello ma okay yeah I call you about yeah true na come baba aya ki egwe wo koko aya ki mi no iwasi bi edobone I'm not against you. Ima de against you warokpa. Ne doma nuseluma eije. Veni me emata ni wa we against evina o berie e happy lima. E na mi do ladiana o wala wo. E we iri agodo teme na. Na dolo ya rewo eje eni madu ale social media ni madu afi pejo na ado amu wona ayaki moki abu we ro pare ayaki eshipaje abu egbona na abu face o ma be ado mu face moki ado mu ye fe eri ya we politics ya. Tell Lord is good. If you are this party, tell the thing your party do. Wamwela dia the good thing the party do. Wamwela dia we give the party maehu. When we vote in this yamu, we will the good thing is yamu no again is yamu ehu la vote doni. Wamwela dia no wage vote again no like no or no like is yamu when no voting no like Obaseki when no voting na yagbina my brothers awaye Nigeria yake enyenye aje ya kenyenye aje ya kigbina ma ya wa ki ogi egbe aki ogi egbe awa ki ogi egbe ciao corona come stai to posto so ayeki ogi egbe ime wosunu na yi wosunu wala gogo wa eri anike yawe a politician wa emie oda or eri Ghana or Tanzania or America if they are doing politics here now we politician eri aladia do afiulu pe do atie boge a governor do atie boge odona. That is my great king Obaz, the comedy. I worry, we are on a very good day. May this pandemic come on first. By special grace of God, I'll call your show one day for Toro. May I come still day with you, God bless you, brother. Please, wala tell me my dear, no money out. We don't pass a key general. Like me, I'm seeing if they call. Iako Obaseki vodie enya we mani wa ya o yage whether use road enya go wa we great or wa we underground ikian ya wodo use if I don't want if I me not go mistake o abego use na for Sakpama side enya go wa we underground village ikian wodo so avini na what tell that if we no mind we no that go uno now why mo la dia wa kian do ata social media Okay, no problem. No problem. You feel call me. God bless you. Share this video. Kick up back. God bless you. God bless you. Eh? Wala wo. Emi no ma. I ma own do ma. Ma own do ma. Ma own do ma. My brother. Ne do ma ma je. Mama kwale ma no do riedo wa no ga yigbi na riedo wa. Oma awe mi no ma. No riedo ari ewa. Eh? Oma awe mi no ma. No ma yo no riewa do ari ewa. Wa ma leke mi no ma. You don't like Wama like him no temu. If you know I am man, Wama like it. Eh? Ne do manu seluma, ma yaje. Wala wo. Iyogi wa rokba because emina do tuagbe if you yobe iya give me my phone do David ma over social media oyin do agbe yan ma yan ati ebo ni ma oyin do agbe edogun ani a wa mi yan egbe aye if you do egbe ye gogun iya awe mi yan wa je give me ya we mi yan eni ala je social media do misbehave awe politics be bu ya wodo wa bi egbe very na rea do ati ebo ne governor iya na do bo awe ebu ya we me me dege come and tell all the good thing Izeyamu have done. Come and tell all the good thing Obaseki have done. They don't be people that want to vote for Izeyamu. Let them vote for Izeyamu. We are not against any of your candidates. We are not against it. I'm not against it. Me, Mr. Solomon Osegi. I'm not against it. Voting okay come on. I know you are asking me now. Yeah. Oh, wherever. What did they happen? We don't be past all those things now. You want them to vote for Izeyamu? Okay, it's good. Fine. But tell all the good thing Izeyamu have done. Let that one be your campaign. Yes, you want us to vote for Obaseki. Tell us the good thing the Obaseki have done since he have been that post for 4 years now. Tell us. If you can take it, go. Begin to put it, share the video, take it picture, bring it to social media. Yes, this work Obaseki have done. This work what Izeyamu have done. Or if you come to social media, what I expect you guys to be doing. Okay, you may expect to wear wahala. Oh, wahala dia we game Izeyamu wo tedo. Ona see ni na we wagia vote in Izeyamu. Because Izeyamu emi no why we tedo na ki. Give no one give no man no vetedo yozege ukpare edo yozege ukporedo yozege agbe ufo vedo yozege odo wagaye fotine makose ima fotine ruden inwina no ma ne Izeyamu uyedo o si e mana be labiana nana wala iviedo wagadegbe ivotine wana do atene na o jeme o Obaseki no be muja no Obaseki. Wadoge wama degona. Wadogi wina ne Obaseki ewuna bedo. Oyedo yake webone. Wayage rigro di meno iwe. Owa view palele. Wayage use meno iwe. Owa ta eni. Wayage ego natekala owa we ya fone. Wala wagade pe votine no mi kene ya wina efo. Wale social media na yakie social media owakie when na mebe owa do jeme politics wana yakie rascal check up okay waje pembe politics be social media do yakie what na ifi rascal check up ayake nonsense things people are there watching us. While we may dig, people are seeing us, seeing what we are doing. And we'll dig him up. Wala. Why did disgrace him here do? Why did disgrace here do? Why did disgrace here do? Wala. I am begging everybody. Why did disgrace here do? Why ya Diana? But again, all of us, we are going to the 6 feet. But when you see people are doing good things, embrace them. Embrace people that are doing good things. Wagima ade David no ma. I am not into politics, but I'm just telling you, people who do good things. Una wala jave na wa awe mi no ma. Okay, ka wa me o wa we mi. Evi no ma ni wa dege o wa uni. Before I was support you, I'll follow you because this is me. I love people who want a daughter great. I love people that want they want to bring light. Me, oka o megi okay. Oka o megi okay. I love people that always move forward. I want to be the first. I love people that are doing good things. Those people, that kind of people ni oni alele. Ekpe ma veri o me oni mi alele. No support them no ma. No awe mi no ma. No di ewa odo ari ewa we odo condemn no money. Owe gari ewa. Kwa gari mi na wa. No, don't do that. Obaseki have wetene ogefu. Eke no ve wina se no ve oh no me imede oni be winoge de to wa okay de mani ka lana iya win 4 years osalo bola ogogo wa imebe ni atemi na etu an win 4 years ni ya wa mudia we 4 years 4 years ni ya wa ya we mi na gbon the next 4 years iya pakigo iya mukpa erin adoe so ina tv zebi owe me politics na je wa agbi eni me be zebi owe dia wala every for 4 years ni awe for 4 years ino wa wina awa una wa rewe okay a vote we yo ne 4 years na o po ki oya dollar yi o edoni ma odu wa dolu po yi upo ma wa gwa lo why they give a question what is develop here. If you go to Morocco, go and look. Morocco is developed, let is constant upo yama go to other country. Kisley, you are welcome, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. Share this video. Because the way they talk youth politics, politics you are or what do ligan or don't be. Iyan je politics ya kigbina na gbele gbo amana gbele gbo ane o ma no keke no win agwa mi ewege e bo ma le iyan ma leke iyan ya gbo ma yoru agbele ma yoru ari abi yoru academy they are grow. When you see people doing good things, you are trying to spoil that good thing that person is doing. If ona we aga feel wa dole miji o ma are do ari ewa, what do you going to feel? Are you going to feel? Are you going to be happy or you are going to be wa gogo yo a wo ma u dole miji kan o ma dia ewa no social media why when I encourage me video no we encourage so that he will get that heart to do more. Then the way heart in ya no ya de gbe awo we no ya we mi no ma we we mi no ma we do ade gbe do ejo. How will you feel? That kind of person we feel. Oh well, even ye say, even ye try your best. Yes, ni ye ya dole doyi. E ma ye ro, no ye ri mi ye niwa. E ma ye ro, no ye mu ye gboto. E ma no ye ro, no ye condemn ni ye. How will you feel? How will you feel, my brother? Wala waga change nyime, unyime na waga fie were. Waga lu ye mi no ma. Obaseki cannot be there forever. Other person can still come to stop where Obaseki for stop. David, for me, David Obaseki yagele winana. Peni me ebe mieo. Gukpe soni awo ebe ta. You understand? David no yasu geni yagele winana. Eri yani ro. Yala. David yagele winana. Edo aki ebona lane. Gele Oreva, everything we abandon. Yares a school so our abandon our government. We are not talking about the people, the land. They are not talking about their self, their own pocket. Their own pocket. How a more to say a more on a school. A school so why abandon. Hospital there are many hospitals there. Now abandon. If I beloved hospital in that community, I include every done or sunu vedona. Sunu. When you create something, you employ more people. When you build a company, you employ. When you build a police station, you employ people. Iya waje do yake. Enye no awaje. Why gima e oberi na abo temeni ku. Wala wowo. Wagima support evinoma. I'm not here to Iyogin Warokba, my brother. My sister Iyogin Warokba. Ema ta ke na ata. Emi no ma ke ni mari egbi maji. Waga deba ema no dole doju. Wala. Ni make Nigeria, we are suffering light. No one come out to campaign for it. Vore toto na maya team constant light in Nigeria. All Nigeria, all Africa. Evani Nigeria me na miega alo generator. A generator na yavi enoa. Ukpa magi ari no ma. Iya agbinajo agbagbina ye otu politics, a PDP, a PNN CCC. No. APC, this. But the right thing, what my way, ne citizen there, ne be making now okay that dog. Ukba error. No mere na no do lemoji wa agbe. I feel look back. Me making an atia boge government there. It may make an atia agbelu o man of women no ma. The man is trying. He's trying his best. Tell us what Izeyamu have done. Tell us what, if you're campaigning for Obaseki, tell us Obaseki EU. For example, for example, where erase this Izeyamu. He had to campaign. Any do a campaign to achieve Bogier, the other opponent. I will come out to tell you. Look at what Izeyamu do. What okay? If not see any when I vote Izeyamu, give Izeyamu ewo, give no Baseki ewo. I see now when I do vote in there. Hello. What you Baba? In Nagbama we gbera. In real life video. Where's the guan?
Oh, I do you because he and I tell you and what about where
no ya agwe baba enu ya ge meni cs koto no make na be we make na enuta.
Okay then what about it? So what me yani why you are way na. Iya no I na sewani yari go o na yo. I would even never yen win na say ona win na kilo na na even no pass here we say na. I'm the way I go to Yanika, okay, now then I'm being another Donny.
Okay, oh, but I do bad, ne? Oh, but then do bad, don't log in Yimana. Then okay.
We have to perform an Amoki. Let him have my giant of Africa. Oh, really, my giant of Africa. Continue to seek a man in no Rupuna, no team, me, I go. Me up by one, even the Rimanania. I think I'm a Robani and me, I'm a generator, and me,
oh, where's it? Oh, wait.
You know, ni manaje ge ba ma ye gbe na ri yeke se be gana na wi ma be yu pa na se gana na we do level we ko be sema
egbe wa wo me baba egbe wa wo me
social media lo po bi ba te na mi agbuna because I na le ma no gbuna na dia ro le mi aro le ari wa mi agbuna no wa gbuna na we na we na wi we ni ajo ba te ki we ni aje rule ko so yere o hi ai ekini e no bere we da dage wa ge age ma dika bu ogbe nika o wa de tiyan we se no bere ye we se na ke bu ma e ti ma ni wulo ye gbe ze ya bebe na ya ga bu nwe bo
okay papa okay
no te le ke salon na gbe to no paro bo bere ke ya tie wo ke ya gbe to
hey
ni ke ya mu boya bo ni we bo nu paje ni ade generator ni ade ji ni ya gbe gai ni jado agbeto
Jimmy
to wenu wata ola mo na yan wa la jan do ni ogbo bona no we ni aje oba seki we ni aje ye rule because any ni be jam ni asu ni na awe mi no ka o we ni ade tala de ni ade
eri wa osie eri na otie na waje nwa na ya la jan baba cause na do agbina eminu we o campaign ize yamu ona campaign oba seki tamima we give no see ni na we na campaign ize yamu rude iwiness no ewi na yedo osie na la jan wala na ibedo wa ga vote ize yamu abaseki wa gi wina no ewi na be abaseki ewi na be do na yame Diana we okay gakapene na be vote ne Obaseki zebe iwina no ewu o ya be do ladia tebe eni ala Diana ni awado awiya waje politics yake users the social media
e no se na me we ya binage side oge o ri ze ya bu na because ya ege new people o ke le se bo na because ya ga le se bo ne ya le mekina le collective ya le je ya because ya go ni ya ga na ya 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 ma le village for ya no because ya nya be mwe e to do so ge new member le bo do ni ya ya e bo no because bo na ma ki ya na yi
Bona miege igigo ya ori wa iye be ine emanire but ya blame youth man no okeke ni man youth pagbe
ime eje kere wa kete mu pa iye wa na gele bu na mu pa mu gore ge ba ye yu pare ba Africa ai wo ya mu gbe ari pare ba ye
egbe wa gore iji what in Nigeria me Edo State okay cause e wo ma na meraji cause o ko in Nigeria ni me man teme cause e wo ma okay do ni ame wa gbi na yi ni mada ni kai se upe e mane wa de ga abori oberania e ate wa le social media kere ivie do ke na ivie do sef na no Edo no bigbo Edo no bigbo e wa bigbo era bigbo sorry igbo no yo wa gbi mo na no fe oyin wa gbe eyin wa on obi ego ona ya obi nene mi opa ona ya obi ogi nene opa ade ivia eyin ke idu aladia do atie bonedo eyin ya genu wa wo ya ge ivi wa be eyin be la dia na eyin be la dia ya we ne eyin lu David ivie do wu na be social media o ivie go na do atie bone edo
we ni ala wa dia ni no te mata ro no gwa social media we ni mi gun la wa dia we ni agwali we na mi gun agwali we we yena na me ho we he o ma we ma me he wu gwe wi na ye we wu wi na
we se papa
we na ni we na ro we ni agwali wi na ni ga ke go me te wo na ma na biele no ke ni na ya collective government we ni area African ya collective government
Here to Benuwa. Egbe wa wo me papa, egbe wa wo me. This thing is too much now. It's too much. Makpa redo ne, makpa ivie do no with politics.
Diga ya ne va yana ka gwe wa ga do zero ne video na ego na aju gba me ke go ke awu yupo we ma wuru gwe me la wa lu ko na gwa ni na no make na dey okay o ga ri gu ya de sibo na ba we agwa de ma ga mi gwa ba da ko sa na gu me o gi ke o ise
ya da ana mi o se na we o ka o megi o keki Oka o megi o keke.
Oja na pe ni oni gwewe oni eme nu na ta we ebi no na rewu na re ta la jan no pe no pa rewu na re ta la jan because oga bo se ki ni na ko ya won se oga bo se ki pa me ni we no ere hi awe e ma na o hia
eri mebeje ti we be bi we e said e de ba o but ebi no ma wu e meta Odi ko ime oko enu wa no mani wa we yan wa de ebi no ma no ma wa wu ime wa ta
no ba be ya kere eri se ya na wa mu la dia bo to te be na we na wa vote ne o no ti ai wa football le yana e ma no wa le ti go mu no na we no ya mo ti bo pa Naga okay keke ni na collect tax na we ya no na we la jan o ye ma de bu we gbina wo no pa ni I can understand it. I will my brother Vinya and Yama and Yawa, and Naga when I do it. I'm not winning for 4 years. They need a different noise. What's what they're ruling for? There you go, Wagalopa. What they're ruling for?
Where's the Baba?
When I see one lap on our going to 4 years, okay. I think I agree when I got 4 years, okay, I got in it because if you know, have a social media. Oh, the only one of them, the one my brother doing, I don't know, you was allowed to go there yet. 4 years, okay, no, see what you will never.
Wala wageya wina o la eri ma obaseki la wo la ya wina fo yege yan ye vote inu e ivie do ni maniro yan ye vote inu e ija boy okwu igo ni agwagwa lori ye pin ana iye tu iye bi dege ivie ma be ne ma no bo ma so e
ewu yan dege maybe the men agwa ga go maybe even na coronavirus no na agwa ga go gwa nya mu pe Easy ma da we ma we to ya mi go. Okay, oda bona lose you. Okay, ni gbin anu because
ya temo pa o egbe o baba ave manige me wala any everything ya ta egbe ibi e mani rewebo o mu edokian dewebo edo iya ya dwe poti won me mu ko ni ere ibi emo o si na leru ya leru iwa ima leru ne gbeme ileru ne e ma ya ni rewebo ipe akwo o piano okwo ba rewebo na ileru ni ya because iya sege do jeberio
wa no ogwa gba ore o ni mani rewo na anya e no ma re bo oga bi bo no e no pa lo leru aji aje government na ya feke ni ma leru ni me wa du go to ni me ni ya la ya da me na so ni ya da me na ni ya la wo ije na no fi ya me ya ni ya when ya do lu pa ji nu pa ba nu po aro e pa me yin ya
eni me wa meje baba iya ti we mi vani ni ma u pa bu pori wala wo ima imia e federal government wala wukpo ni ma wana we mi vani ma wa se ni kia e youth wa se ni kia Wasenika, you guys just give us this like because my power ni my who wa me power ni wa eti ni ukpa ni man wukpo ni ma wa we vana ni ma e vana e drillage de obaseki ukiana no continue no ugele dolupo na yi the federal government ni ari ukpa ni ma gele amoni wa wasenika and the youth I trust Edo youth I know what they can do because they are so intellectual, they are so intelligent. No street light, ukpa a boss in a mafivo. All those things, I have a beg government in a governor in my Abaseki. Nia stop a imoto nia fina, a real light, a rieke. Oh, I got driving here, who they ukpa, this is bad. Jimmy, a kine mao. We say we are a giant of Africa. A giant of Africa, you get to prove yourself out. Wagele la giant of Africa kinene. The African ki aye gbetawa. Yage Dubai, we are Dubai, we are ile Yonania. But if Africa, if you Nigeria, we go to Nigeria, yeah, abo wa ye Dubai. How do you come?
Okay, because we my mama dollar you say. Here make an actual video agmo. Here in Dubai. No, we don't issue an actual video because of a video na shoot.
Okay, menu tia bana. The boss in ni we baba. Okay, yan mami ukpa ya we gbemi na e generator yan aye ya zigo ya de. Aye bi agbeli yan bai. Okay, ge mani we wedding work ni wed. Yan mi ukpa ya wed. Yan mi ukpa ya wed e generator yan ya de. Ge mani ki hairdresser salon. Many people let work there, but they have not still let to work. Ye telo reba. Nipo we winner, but they are no light. Everywhere we are one hotel. Everywhere is generator. A noise, afira. Iyan ni redo ni metiami ya o. Because erere to wari erere wa. And then a bossy my son wow generator be erere doria uwa ya sie igba udosi Morocco sie by ofo.
I was so much I was able to so much money. Who will me no way, who will me no way, who will me no way I come in I get detected 1 year. Just like that, I will for nothing. I move for you to get your knee. A woman. No. Mama, no, I will win again. Area one, why you live on our area one. Or more no good. Because I'm not coming on your one on harm.
Upero.
Generator. Because I might buy away with that. Except to money where you pay like you.
Kije dume wala waga video na wala wowo we say baba ne ma be miege ya be ko wa to upe baba ugude water no nagbon o ma waya gbe benu waya de bawe na ya dole doyi emi no manu wa uri egbe yi ni emi no magi fovo buwa be ni Jesu wa ni anita ye emi no ma me pe ti ure me na we emi no magi egi fovo buwa be ni Jesu emi no magi fovo buwa wala if anybody want to call wa make na maybe na ya go ba dole doyi be na ya dey by a government dole doyi o wa ga dole bo na yi wala wowo share this video and invite okona obugbe this is getting too much o pe mi imoto aga fi moto kian be wo pe doni no street light nothing all the governor no ewala ama mi ni ayu na gwe mi agbona if you ever ma wa gwa lonu wa uni ma if you guys can do this thing for us we will be happy. Hello wa talk pe baba na gbo ama we gbe ire live video. Okay, ni mo ye speaker. Hello. My the world they hear you.
Reason that a second eternal oil government uji enadwara. Uji enadwara. Wa he during the chomole time first no na wina second tenor amagi emo uji the bago oil park. Ene oil boba second original. The first no why yes no why ma. Any person will be like, why when one tenor, how are you for what 1 year between 8 years, and only when I 8 years, another opportunity in a manner again, you get to or four. Can no one say now, on the back head or say, first tenor, and when a second tenor, you go to the park. When a government on how good myself. A commissioner near arrest Vitali. This how many years? A governor, why you tell that they're going to man arrest there.
Gwakian baba ebo iya the what they hear you
I'm all my time. Understand? Oh, man, I have to go since how many 8 months, how many months? When you go to rob money. There's nobody not there, a government matter, I go in, and I will pay in Nigeria. Those things, no.
Okay, many investment with nana. Okay, na. Ni me oni me weta ye manana agree baba cause e shomo le na e many ebe rule nana we no ni ke rule. Eya ya rule 8 years. Up to be Germany since ye be winner because eya win ye be winner well agree a contribution me why make me raise the rock by email vote devil wa Germany baba. You might be that you vote but I love people that do good job. So that tinya ni ke win 8 years na but up to be Germany okay na ni when you tell but only me ni kata sigwe 4 years ni an win 4 years wa mebu na lele mesi na we gi an win 4 years 4 years na ni o gari enwani ma we okay o na win 4 years ogene o no pa vere ihe gi miege ya imu go be nu weta ba but me no gi je na na ihe ni ke ni win na we ja mo yo be na we oba se gi ge wa win 8 years ogefo gba na game no ogelewu then the next voting e mana ke ni ladia ihe atwa e bo le jo ladia we gi ada doge alele 4 years ni have voted for you because now you my yoga battle ke ya ga na we dog le du go move ni ke ya du go move we bi nu we ya taba
Okay, mjane kwesi. Oko possible that any governor almost rule for 8 years ya.
But ya ni Kenya rule 8 years on ya.
Mjane question me no.
Oma kopo gumepo
Oko possible any governor almost rule for 8 years.
But oma compulsory be no ije na na ona na imiegwe ya ni kerule 8 years ya osi eme na we na dossier ezo ye edo na dossier gbe na cause adolo me gwagwalo. You understand? Because oma no win na Severia na na okay, most of the work in here where we be wu na ya ya wo wa be ya. So when I do time we only win 8 years ye wa we ni win 8 years ye gba do okwore.
Okay, mjane. We go understand hina. We me be so we already 4 years nana. Agba wo say wa we ya. Ai gbiri on we yo. Ona wa nwina. O wa we yo wa gbiri on we yo. Una me we be say we on 4 years na gbiri 4 years. Second that is their second tenor. You go do part. There's nobody. No matter what be say we say one or test state you got no we we yo awa.
Mo whatever ni agbina yina we no get matter be no a contribution wo be
we na we are we okay we be say we mo wan get money there's something that affect you is not hacking and retail
contribution
second tenor
we say a contribution okay I be go
who came no so no a commission already move Italy since how many months you pata area we gonna money work mapa
na only me my work cause me ikata only kata but we my be politics in Nigeria but even ni me one year
oh mujana at least I will boje Italy
kakabo
me France chomulere lucky right from Gbemudia
wawa ori gbisi ni wawa sorry lucky ni ai wawa e ko so be ko se ni
okay a lucky oma ya 8 years agbe
kana ya gbele etie oyi meta na we then na be ge na je gbo na ge dogele be duigi mamu mupa na ye gbe ye gede I worry man fresh person dey
we hacking gbe somole we yan first no we be somole so ya nwina second no we gbe mi e na ata ge then we gbe na bege no dey ero ma o
okay domanu we no ila ona domanu we no ila na
France ye Nigeria
yes ni awagwale neutral person ye yo wetana neutral person
ni awagwale very Nigeria go la very the do state ni
okay only contribute
we 4 years oti ati me gba dugo we mu e we the ye gbe de won we yo wo ga me wo bi say Tony who ken off we there
okay on my contribution we na
almost by 4 years agreement you always serve for 8 years. It's not agreement. Every constitution we must serve for 8 years.
Only me my
commission now. We gonna us attack powerful.
No. Wa ba se omo pa ni ya wa edeti mi di picture na ya be ge ma gba ya we mani wa win na sha o ne mata o eti ya wa win na ya wo de ni upo no e wa eta then a drillage no wa mi gwa emi opa whether who say otete side otete we sapa ya we you are be drillage ni ya wo wa we uyo do
en drillage so mo le carry so abene drillage ere o so drillage and upo so mo le re o upo ye we de we upo e lucky do upo no po e adole ya kuna o ya wa adole ya kuna
ego wa wo re o
wa se ni bini o ene janto puru wa mo yo na puru
oh my baba ne ma be contribute we say a contribution we be na ne ma be contribute we say gagabo we say
no ni agbo na we yo and commission ga no dugo mu sa era ma time ri about no copy about my time we ni do pa
okay oma we say ogwe we be tana we say what so my brothers wala ima iwi wa ya fefe ima iwi wa okwe emane owu of wendo ekila ya eya vuendo rude elena ya nona okay ukparo igbamanogi wewi nania igbamanogo agbeto omamiupa ya igbeto o egbe etegbe agbe kegbe maverio okwero no we iwine dressing no we tailor so ebwasima ivi maro niwe eweda be na yawe die ivi maro no we be na yawe fishe alumako na ukparo yawa lo generator kian okay ya omanamu wina nania okay we wina na me okay ya defu ere wina na awuno be dokpa o ewede a ru defu okay do defu ye generator or a generator be switch off of area ade do yuri de we wala wo wala gogo gwajupa redo ebosima upana na aro emani we wina machoge ekila na agwavue otedo weria na gboa because iwina ro ni awu iwina ni awu egwe ni atewu iya mami upa ya wina okay digba na igbama iya igbelegbe yan wa iya igbelegbe yan wa awaji ya igbelegbe yan wa uwala gogo ave government ma wala wadolemo yi ma wadolemo ye monu no roto to wa wala by giving us a constant life every ma walo for me I don't know about the rest I need road I need good road constant and good road and school you understand and the hospital nike was here anima was here the youth. If you guys do this thing for us, I'm not ruling for 8 years. Oh, wait, you might ukpo. You might understand. Wala wo wala wa they giving no ma wa give ma support even no ma. So anybody that want to call wa be call. La what you viena no wa be opinion wala la dian. What the opinion wala dian. What by doing this, emani gbelegbin yawa or me see you. Ebosi mabuni we wina ni we babi salon ni gwa agbeto ni gwa we fashion design ni gwa yes ni gwa we fashion design o pa ya we na wa so tedo e generator do wa ni generator ije e noise then o wa sigba mo gavani no ya sigba ba e noise de gbedo apeye rere oge erere ye wa pa banu we itie we who worry 1,000 or 5,000? Yeah, or my area now go me a $1. Because the rek man, yet he say Igbo do de bae, who go Giovanni, or the rek was sa. Oh, we have me go ya digbo by bo. Oh, yeah, when he walking, no care, but you rock constantly. Oh, no care baby salu. Uparo constantly. E man, we wedding, a man no we a campita furniture. Oh, I need the near we now. All those furniture people, cabit, baby salon, tailor, wedding, many things in Fisher Lumako, a yabu. But where near Yawina? A generator ya what depend ye. A generator no take the 1,000. Okay, Yawina or 4. Who therefore 5,000. In the okay, Yawina, what in the year can they make Yagaga? Every year they make Yagaga? Because of all those things, wala wo go our leaders. Wala wo go what reason away now? I'm not against anybody here. Wala wo go. I'm not against anybody. No, the do man o selua ma emaje. If you can help us with this, all those things that we say now, ni matter now. At least the igbama igbelegbiyan. And a year of Bama no me, Baby Salon, no my team you buy we na no keke. You go gaze. If we ma bereba, you go gaze. You go gaze. If we na ne awon you be ya wenya, e ma mi pa ya we mi ropa. Here ma mi pa no light. Ebi buni ma wa wina beto doni. So ibe dole asefena betame. Ikbia o ikwo nigire social media ne. Ebi buni ma wa gagwa kan. Ebu pana eri ma le e social media do ati agberagbeje do ati. Ebi buni ma gwa kan. Na wele ni won gi ma wu ni ma. Ni ma ko boku gbe yawo e boss wa ejedo wa ledo wa jege be boss ni redo abi moto so ni redo ni we ta service. Ebi leti eye gogo ari o afi se bobi yo ebi pa wo afi e ke okay ya heru if you are not a good driver okay ya heru we. Please let's put all those things together by repairing our country. Never ni boare ma vele gele region e na gele doleji wo nwe wo kasi na ki avio wo nwe wo kasi no ki na ki avio we bani. Ana dole gele ni geleji. Ana dole ji me o de mata. Wonu e workers na ke avio. E bosi na ke avio. E don't need obe ye ne killers. Obe ye o ma no gi mu egbe bo gbe na oya opa ari wi no. Odon lawa bo de 7 or 8. O egbe an be ji wi na ba ku e. O wala gogo wa ga de ba o ma no gele dole donaji. Wala like me no timani ba wala waga we 4 years ya we the other 4 years that we voting wa me ji 4 years ni me de gbe ya we e kina na we na mi e kene no me mi ni gebe su o ken because he gonna enter mu eri evu wa we na ni mani wa ya have a good record wala wa we na ni mani wa have a good record wala imado imia wala wogo imado imia eju ti gbelegbe yan rude upero iwina yan we ni bu mami upaya wina ni bu kie baby salon ni bu we wedding ni bu we this what wina na yi e pane bitter ni bu we pane bitter like me I'm a junior iwe win a kepa you understand iwe win a kepa. Although he winning mechanic no ma ve look pa ve gbeso agaya maybe one geji exhaust pipe or I wanna wear a panel bitamana dog wear there imoto ni pa banire because you pa nero evo ya wa ki generator e noise what degbe noise be mo te do wala wogo wala our leaders wa dole do yi ni ma ni igbama igbelegbiyan ni ma igbama igbelegbiyan wala wowo iwina na aro igbama abiyan ni igbelegbiyan na iyan ke iga bi agbelegbiyan berio wala igagwata wa mieme imagwata wa mieme so anybody no wekti you viena no wi yen me ni abeta yen you viena ma you viena ya tie bonoma rokpa o viena na ya tie bonoma ebi no ma you viena na yata be ne do aya ma you viena na yata. Egbe mebi gwalevio asinidwa idwa ti agberagbiye ridwa ti ebone opia idwa ti ebo giokwo o nidwa ti ebone ererame God forbid idwe enu do that eno sewe obo kan rototo o kan ave awudo ebo owe be nu me eri awu ebo eyen be nu me eri awu you understand. So wala wogo egeni mayado awe me social media ni wagaya do by emano dole doyi no dole wi mai wala wagima embrace good thing. Let everybody embrace each other with peace and love. Ni mai igbelegbima wa jeme mi no ma se okpa no ma se iva wala wogo imi wa kakabo wala. So erita ese waga e video na iye kaitasi obawo kan eya temena obeno nwa wa ya mieme wa degege emenita o sonu wa no sonu wa ni wala wariye fiuto wa berie wa gwe wa je no manita noro wariye ba no manu wa we na ya iwe na ya dole evonaji wala iye me like 5 minutes 5 minutes I will trip off. If you have anything to say, to contribute, just call. Don't forget to call. My number is there. It's my WhatsApp number. It's there. our youth, please, why Igbelegbuwa? Nuwa nemia na manuwa ve nemia ya manuwa ne Igbama ma ya jena ma ya je uwa gi ma ya kugbe danuwa ya Igbelegbuwa na kugbe na ya gwe ọba Idoledoye emi ama ma ya na kugbe do atemo pa we magwale gevini magwalo upa magwalo na aviopia na aviosisi ununa ma ya neya amie ero mona ano emi no we a yeri emi na no ma o di enima wala. That is my brother for life. I greet you. Wa talk be bina gba ma we gbe. Ire live video. Oh.
Just want to appreciate you for your nice talk and what you see.
Oh, where's it?
I pray for more blessings and more wisdom, more strength to speak more.
Hey, where's it?
To speak more to advise Edo, mostly Edo youth.
Where's it?
And I pray for wisdom for their lives so that they will stop this killing. Seriously.
Where's it, Baba?
It's not good. And where's it, Domosa?
Where's it?
Wisdom, sir.
Where's it? He said, okay, well, where's it? I'm grateful for the call and your contribution. God bless you. Where's it? Oh, mania, eh? Hello? Hello?
Hello, brother.
I greet you.
I greet you, Baba. One chief thing, though I know we busy, but I get something important to help Chief for the matter.
Okay, thank you. God bless you.
Okay.
We're not the talk.
Okay. I greet everybody in the house.
The house greet you. They say Nama you be.
Na destiny they talk.
Nama you be. I don't see your voice.
I want Chief for this thing where you they talk because no be small matter or topic you bring out, so you understand, because this thing no be only Bini matter, Edo matter, or Igbo or Calabar Yoruba, because our leader in general, this thing you they talk now, you they make this point, you don't hate anybody. That is the point I want to chip. You don't hate anybody.
Thank you, brother, and God will bless you for this word when you talk. Thank you.
Yeah. You know they against anybody, or you want even person want do 8 terms. It's not of your business. It's not our business.
At all.
But our business and what we care is welfare of Benin and welfare of the state.
Yeah.
And every governor govern.
God bless you. Not true.
You understand? Because waiting they kill. Okay, now you dey fight because you be justice man. You dey fight for no say no to killing now.
Yeah.
Okay, waiting cause all this killing. Youth are unemployment. Youth are not doing anything. Youth are not self-guided with something. You understand? They are not working, so they are free to misbehave, to do 1 or 2 things to survive. So, but if our youth are engaged, create job, create right. If you see light, as you are talking this, so it's not a small thing. We know what we are enjoying with right here. You understand?
Okay.
So, if only right road, you can pass through the roads, and somebody can buy keke driver, you know, go stop, you know, go spoil.
Yeah.
That person will be happy. You understand? So there are things that our government need to do without even waiting for we to talk. You won't even be the one saying or dragging, just like Obaseki is dragging now for second term. It will be the people that will be dragging for him. But now he's doing all these things to be dragging to be in second term. We don't care of his second term. But first term, what did you do? What and what? Show us what you do.
That is like you are not with me at the first time, because that's the thing. We don't. What we talk about, say the good thing, not the one where they'll come they fight. If you say if you they fought for Obaseki, Come tell her, come campaign, say see the good thing wey Obaseki don do. People go follow you take vote for Obaseki. Like Ize-Iyamu, you dey vote for Ize-Iyamu. You want make people follow to vote for Ize-Iyamu. Come talk the good thing wey Ize-Iyamu don do. You go tell her say see wetin Ize-Iyamu do o. Na make me come and say because of this good thing wey he do. Now say make we come vote for am again o. Abeg my people, my Nigeria, but we can't vote for this person or Obaseki. See the good thing wey he do, wey be say na make me come and say we can't vote for am. Abeg, Edo people, Nigeria, but we vote for Obaseki. You understand? I be the topic. You understand?
The matter just dey plain. It just dey plain. It just dey plain and clear. Because as you talk, that's so because some people they are fighting. Killing himself for nothing, no reason. You don't have any reason you want to vote this person. You don't even know. And after 4 years, we still remain where we are.
Yes,
you understand? We still remain where we are. We still fight for another 4 years for another person without knowing who the person is, the capability, what he can do or what he cannot do. You understand? So as this matter where you dey talk now, even me, I dey learn a lot of things inside this matter because not I want to vote somebody, I want to vote somebody. But who is this person we want to vote? You understand?
Yeah.
What does he has to give the youth? Like if you come from my state, we have all the previous governors, even the one now, did not do any, it's only one governor, Sullivan Chime, that made Enugu like paradise. If the one now is not doing anything, you understand? And we fought for him for second term and he's not doing anything. You understand?
Yeah.
So this talk you are talking now is very, very important. It's very, very important because our youth cannot be suffering every day, continuously. Our mother in the village cannot see. If you call somebody in the night, video call, you cannot see the person's face. You understand? You cannot see the person's face. And we say we are Nigeria is progressive. Obaseki will say he has the right. He did a lot of things. Please show us what you did that deserve for you to come for the second term. You understand? Because me and you know that these billions we are talking, if you Solomon now touch this billion, $1 billion, you know what that money can transform in a those people.
You know now, you know. Because this money na touch and leave. Because let me first talk. Say person wey dey work, he still dey see CEO. But me no you pack everything wey be say me. He go take when the youth go take rise or when the youth see many of our brothers now they do barber salon. Many do the tailor, many learn this wedding, many do carpenter, many do this anumako work. But they need light to take feature all those things. But everywhere na social generator. Now before you go buy fuel for 1,000 fuel for generator, how many work you want use and work?
You want use and work. That you are. Thank you. This is the matter now. You dey kneel from the root. You understand? God bless you, my brother. Keep on.
God bless you.
Give a chance for other people to
Thank you very much. God bless you, my brother. Thank you. So, my brothers, I greet everybody. We know what to take for here. I beg, as we still talk and preach. Now, as I still talk and so, anyway, we test and anyway, he test and wala wo get. Denoma e igualo ni that dog. You understand? God bless you. Now man you be, Obe, God bless you. Yeah, now true you talk. Now true you talk, Obe. So please, I beg all of you. Our youths, I beg, may we do something for them. The leaders. Voila. Now we they work for now. At least may we still they get the benefit, the strength when we take the work for now. When be say we want make una deal talk with the respect to now by working for you guys, but still also make us proud. Do something for us. Hello, Baba, wa talk by Ravenera. You don't more man, call Baba. They ask greet you. They ask greet you, Baba.
Thank you for your good job.
Well said, Amen.
So, by gradually like this,
people will be understanding, because there are people that is not even listening to anybody.
Yeah.
But by the time everybody start to dey agitate, start talking, start asking questions, so people will learn.
Definitely.
You understand?
True. That's true.
Okay. In the aspect of this court, what do they call? Court crisis.
Yeah, it's court crisis.
You understand? Yeah. We dey inside for years.
Okay.
You understand me? Let me tell you something. There is no one man that will come out today, even the president, that will say he want to stop the courtesan.
Nobody.
He will never stop.
Yeah.
But one thing, we, the people that understand the courtesan, one thing, the politicians, they go to the prophet, they go to the pastors, they go to the babalawo to go and do something, for press the indigent down, for not them to ask questions.
Yeah.
Any sacrifice the politician did is because of the youth. Because the money that they will give to him, allocation. So when he will be using it, give the youth small granite, all of them will be fighting themselves because of the money. Do you understand? All what we need in that country, all what we need, my brother, even though you fight from here, go reach 100 years coming, you don't need electricity. You not talk about electricity.
What?
Na zero.
Na what, Baba? What? Na ma you be, Baba? Because na that light. Hi, Jesus.
You want to stop courtesan? When people
nobody go fit stop courtesan, but we still let them, they know say, because the matter what we bring today not be about that one now. But as you be like say, you don't watch me for the beginning, but all na the same. You understand? So because of this politics of fight that they fight themselves for social media, person when you want come out, you want vote for Obaseki. We not say make anybody not vote for person we like. You want vote for Obaseki. You want vote for Ize-Iyamu. Come tell us. Come tell us why the reason why you dey vote for Ize-Iyamu. Tell us, see the reason why when I dey vote for Ize-Iyamu, see the good job wey he dey do. Now make me come and say, see wetin Ize-Iyamu do o. More we come vote for her. Edo people more vote for her based on the good thing wey he do. Or Obaseki, see the good thing wey Obaseki don do. Now make me come and come vote say, more come vote for Obaseki based on the good one wey he don do. But many of them, they don do this politics take to rights and beats for social media. They disgrace, they fight. That's what they tell you do politics.
Brother, wait. May I ask you a question, my brother? Because not be everybody they reason. You understand? If they talk this kind of thing, now you still see some people. They of course they insult you for this word where you already talk to.
God.
You understand? Okay, ask me now. For me now, ask me say who I dey support and why I dey support the person.
Okay. Who you dey support? And that be the question that be the thing when I talk. You understand? Why are we like this? Why are we like this? Fighting. You know, come tell us, see, waiting the vote, person where they vote for. Okay, tell me who you dey vote for. Why the reason why you want vote for her? Tell us.
Okay. Now, me dey UK. Okay. Now, I'll say, not be Obaseki I dey support. Now, I'll say I dey support Obaseki.
Okay.
Or I know dey support her. Wetin not make me support her? You say, for good 4 years, don't never get electricity.
Yeah. But they say not be, according to Asate here, they say not be government, governor they do like to. They say na federal government they breathe like to.
Listen to me, my brother. All those one don't know anything.
Yeah.
As a governor of a state, head of state, you tell me say tell them say me they go read the Nigeria Constitution. You get right to demand anything, to do anything for your citizen.
Yeah.
For your whole state. Anybody will tell you say governor no go fit bring light. You know say that person, I fit cause am say na fool.
No, we not the insult. I know they use my platform to insult anybody, sir. I beg.
Okay, sorry for that. Sorry for that.
I beg.
Sorry for that.
Yeah.
Why must you tell me say governor no fit bring light for your state? If governor no demand for light, okay, what you want to do? You tell me say government want bring infrastructure or maybe want bring company, make them come inside darkness.
No, not true. Not true.
Europe.
Not true.
You go say you want to open company, you want to open up for inside darkness.
Na darkness, no, it not fit happen.
What are you saying?
Yeah, that's true. I even follow the argue this thing. Say, government, yeah.
Listen, my brother. If federal say they give you the opportunity to give your people light, you go tell your whole state, say no movement, no market, filling station no dey work, nobody go move. Whether government, whether federal no go turn up. You understand?
You make points, sir.
Okay, now you can see. You know why they don't want to bring this light? They don't want me our people know what they do.
Not be lie. No, not true. You talk. Not true. I know all those things.
They Europe, so.
I know.
Now because of say me and you they use free data.
Yeah.
We go pull internet for us every month. Now we they carry with small money. Now we fit talk play like this. Me one person wey dey Nigeria, we never build itself, we never dey chop government money. He no go fit call you.
Not be lie.
He no go even listen to your station.
Not be lie. Okay,
sir. Many people will not know anything now. They don't listen to people.
I bet Mona share this video and I also like my page, Solomon Sage page.
You know, if you share this video go Nigeria, make them wash and they not go wash. Cause no data, no lights. How you say make the country wash you?
So wait till you say make our leaders do for us now.
Now that light, me not get anything. Anybody will not give us light for that 4 years, make it come out there.
Okay, thank you.
My papa did there, I not side them at all.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Okay. God bless you. So I beg, our caller, God will bless you. Now your contribution, you still talk. So I beg everybody, all the youths, please let we all come together. Wagimaya kugbe, wagama kugbe na. Cause a youth man, some of our youth, agbena yemi no ma. No eso mi ladia do awe o emi na. Ime igonu we anyway man no ma be gugwe we wo. Emi no matter na. Cause all manu we all mani me. Ogari anu we to be ri anime. So let's get this thing to. Let us understand this issue. Ekona manuwe mani me, ekona manima we manuwe, ekona rianime, bebe all we rianuwe yawe, oro okmaga feve bonaje, be dogbonaje. Use manije, kosa o nevo na ya ni maniya ya yege. Usoje. You understand? Anyway, what fe we ne, like me ri do ate we lavo kata, do ate we shema. Me, Mr. Solomon Osage, I can't do that. I can't do that because to atowe Rudigo Lumena ne ubo me go ya sempre raya siri uwe Osage umerioto only a Kenyan respect umerioto okay be 50 by 100 na I bet too flat na I munwe I with anone be no ya sustain family anytime we are women every day. He was Zagbono me. Venumana Zagbono mame. Ori 1,000 many years here Morocco. Yes, Donona ya wonona. My brother, your money is for your own self. This is what I want to let our youth to know. Please, people don't make you to be to show the way for you. How you will success to be like them. Mawo enu ya re 1,000 wenu ya alko dem egbo eni 2,000 eri go wenu ya agbele yuti otuwe awenu ya agbewa. Please don't do that. Let we all come together and tell our goal leader, tell them look at what we need. Let them give us what we need. What we need is light. We need this constant light in our Nigeria because many of our youth because a generator do 2 years o venu ge nu giomere o dore de veni do gbia de iya na esona iya wade Morocco na wa ya si wo gi avani wo toturu ege no ya gogo ladia enia o ladia go toti wo ve o ve gbe nya e nozi pe nya e bebi imoto na wa be de o wa be do pe o pi erere wa musa ave mani ziba ni ro iwa mi gbo ma be ri oyan iya gian ona o wa ge o ama we do bien 5,000 naira na we na pa no awin ma awe so baba be de claro baba be de claro boy 5,000 naira be de claro for the chairman all you be award donate bill be de claro for the chairman that chairman not tell you as you take survive as things go take better for you as you may open way for you as you get that money as you dey call am chairman o ma me to pa no munu o ma me win pa no win kenu o ma me business pa no kenu wa me chairman claro I hey baba who dey onu be award donate bill my brother youth, don't kill yourself for anything. Why gbele gbogbo mama ni market neighbor wana. E mo ni market bat you. Ni aya we bo we maybe nu wa ni youth ya gbele gbogbo wa. Please, let's come together, please. Wala wowo. Abi gba ma wala wowo. Wala igba ma me iwe mu wa gbe. Mr. Solomon Osage iwe mu wa. Iwa we mu wa baba. Iwe mu wa sajo. Iwe mugwa wala wowo wala wagya kugbe na go ba dole doji then you are wasting your life for nothing abi ya ni giwa una when wa ya gbelegbu wa iya iviyan wa emi ave awo there or iviyan do de ba wa aju make emi na or iviyan do de ba wa be iyan do agulele wa si e Morocco be ko wa na si Morocco no you can't see them iya gie those people iya gie they know Ini ayewe beli ma we erita ese wa to wa pela wa ga video na wa ya e mami ma ti e broadcast na wana be Facebook wa bi are our family YouTube Grace Better YouTube channel wa ya subscribe be ba ni wa ya watch Grace Better YouTube. That is our family YouTube channel. Please, you guys should go and subscribe there. Please, I am begging. Grace Better YouTube channel. While you subscribe, also like my page and share this video. Voila, we go. So when you cut, I say, "Wa mi nita normal day you vient." We go where nita maybe your son why so voila why get son wa. Wari no son wari you talk cause no bana error. You understand? Nedo amanu selu ama eije maybe beni yata ibe yegbe baleme eyata wala wa be mieme eji wala gogo wa murion orio soto maybe e meso na oro ni hoto beni ya gwana na e hoti we borio la wanyo nu murion we isoto je no manoro ni beta nu ya we mi de nu we no be manu we me ni na de ba na ya idoledoyi wala wogo erita ese so meno Mr. Solomon Osage aka Seno Tokele wa ya to inu agbon ya ma wa ya gbe ma to mic pe oba to pe ise wa we say until I come your way next time my is we say wa talk be when wa ya gumero I pray for every one of you when wa ya lele me guy a video me if na gbon all ma wa ya gbe enu wa riri bio boyi benu wa ya jo boya ga emi no ma wa ga so bo mu be ni Jesu wa ga yore emi no ma wa kan amie wa ga kian wo de emi no ma wa ga dekun wa ga ri sin wi na emi no ma wa ga dekun wa de emi no ma wa dekun emi no ma wa kian bi a he mi ho wa gi ye ho wa he yen dan eri o kan je nu wa be ni Jesu enu ni nanu wa na negbe me na kugbe are wima na kugbe are do ireba me no vi wa Mr. Solomon Osage aka Seno Tokele ireba wala wari me ba omo koko igagwata wa mieme magwata wa mieme ne do ama no selu ama eje wa ato wa pe oba ato ope ise otina come your way next time wala don't forget share this video to all your contact, share this video to all your contact. Please share this video and also subscribe to our family YouTube Grace Better YouTube channel. Grace Better YouTube channel. Grace Better YouTube channel. Go and subscribe there. And you will also watch this live video there. You will watch it there. Please go and subscribe. Also like my page, Solomon Osage Facebook page. Also like it. God bless you. Until I come your way next time. Wato. Iwa digwaton. Wa vera me video me wa ya wa to wa pe oba talk be. He said bye for now.